In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with HubSpot. We'll walk through the process together from inside Asana, and by the end, your HubSpot account will be successfully connected to the specific Asana project you want to work with. First, open your browser and log into your Asana account. Once you're on your Asana home screen, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of your teams and projects there. Find the project where you want to connect HubSpot. This is important. The integration is added at the project level, not to your entire Asana workspace, so make sure you pick the project that will actually use HubSpot data. Click on that project to open it. Inside the project view, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. A panel will slide open on the right side of your screen with different customization options for the project. In this Customize panel, look for the section called Apps. This is where you can connect external tools to your Asana project. Click on Apps, then click the Add or plus Add button. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear, showing you a list of available app integrations. In that pop-up, scroll or use the search bar to find HubSpot. Once you see HubSpot in the list, select it, then click Add to Project. As soon as you do this, Asana will refresh the page to start setting up the connection. After the page reloads, you'll see an option to Connect to HubSpot. Click that button. This will open a new browser tab or window that takes you to HubSpot's authorization page. Be patient here. Sometimes this page can take a little while to fully load. If you're not already logged into HubSpot on this device, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your HubSpot login details and continue. If you're already signed in, HubSpot may simply ask you to choose which HubSpot account you want to connect to Asana. Select the correct account, then click to confirm or choose that account. Next, HubSpot will show you a summary of the permissions and access that the Asana app is requesting. Take a moment to review these so you understand what data will be shared between the two tools. If everything looks good, click to allow or grant access. Once you approve the connection, the authorization window will close or redirect, and your Asana project will now be linked to HubSpot. That's it. Your integration is complete, and you can start using HubSpot data directly within your Asana project.